Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to add signature on your picture with only by iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your phone and let's go jump into the photo library over here with this icon, and then you just need to click it to open. So after you arrive in the photo library, you need to choose which picture that you want to add the signs to, and whenever you already found the picture, you just need to click it to activate the several informations over this picture. And after that, you just need to go click this edit button, and then in this edit button you just need to take a look on the upper side here, and you need to go click this pen button to access some brushes. You can take a look on this bottom side here. There will be like 1 2 3 4 brushes and one for erase the mark. And then after that, they also have a ruler. They also can adjusting the color. So to create a signature, I will suggest you to a pen, and after that you can also adjusting the color by click this part, and then after that you just need to choose the color that you want to add to. For example, if you want to do with the gray over here, you can also adjusting the opacity. You can make it transparent by drag it into the left side, and after you done adjusting it, you just need to go back, and now you can start add the sign on your picture. For example, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click done, and now you already have the signature on your picture. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys. So hopefully it's really guideful so well, and I will see you for the next video. Bye bye.